If you're tired of serving delicious home-cooked meals out of boring stainless glass or metal baking pans, this detailed, beautiful, hand-painted Polish pottery-style ceramic casserole dish is a set of two, and it's exactly what your kitchen needs. Look at the high quality of all the details, the resting space, the beautiful colors, the handles, and just the cute matching set. I just love it. I'm going to show you how I make some of my favorite dishes in these two containers, and they go from mixing to stovetop to serving to microwave to dishwasher. Now watch and see as I put my favorite dishes, my beautiful peach cobbler, right in the oven. Now it's available in yellow, blue, and red. It's a set of two, a 2-quart and a 0.8 quart. Oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. This biodegradable material set was provided for me for my honest opinion, and I love the elegance of it. I love the serving, and it cooks beautifully. This is a beautiful brand, and I will give it a lot as gifts because it's so beautiful and it cooks so well. An elegant touch. Now, this is a great idea for a wedding registry list, and the price point is very affordable. It's packaged beautifully in a gift-ready box. Its glaze is all natural, lead-free, cadmium-free, and non-toxic. You can use it with confidence. Now, I highly recommend the beauty of it. Now you will soon see how well it cooks. Now you certainly can use it for cold foods, soups, pastas, cereal, pot pies, fruits. It's elegant in every way. But I love the fact that it can go from oven to freezer, microwave to dishwasher. Now look how beautiful my dishes turned out. My peach cobbler is yummy and well browned on top, and my potatoes au gratin is super crispy and cooked all the way through. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm so pleased with this. I highly recommend this product. I hope you found this useful and you will enjoy this product for yourself because it is beautiful. Please follow us for more like these.